Good morning everyone. My name is Simranjit Kaur. Today I will discuss important vocabulary. The first word is outlaw. A person has lost protection of law. Second, forgery. Falsification of documents. Third, expite. To make atonement for one's sins. Fourth, vedanta. Committing murder in revenge. Fifth, brittle. The thing can be easily broken. Sixth, entomologists. Experts who scientifically study insects. 7. Hypocrite. One who pretends to be what he is not. 8. Manuscript. A paper, story, poem first written out by hand. Ninth, mint, a place where money is coined. 10th, respiration, the process by means of which plants and animals breathe. 11th, cynic, one who sneers at the aims and belief of his fellow men. 12th, patrimony, property inherited from one's father or ancestors. 13. Effeminate, a person who is womanish in his habits. 14. Proselyte, one who is converted from one religion to another. 15. Boutique, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes, cosmetics. 16. Interlude, interval between two events. 17. Idiosyncrasy, a person's peculiar habits. 18th, procrastination, the art of delaying. 19th, ophthalmologist, a doctor who specializes in the diseases of the eyes. 20. Glutton, a person who eats too much. 21. Isthmus, a narrow stretch of land connecting two large bodies of land. 22. Predator, an animal which lives by preying on other animals. 23. Oligarchy, government of rule by a small group of people. 24. Plagiarist, one who copies from other writers. 25. Palpable, thing that can be felt or touched. Thank you to listen this audio.